Hi everybody, welcome to Techision Academy. In this video, what we want to do basically is just explaining how great font pairing works. No practical aspect, it's just explanation for you to know everything. So I need you to take your pen and your writing materials. Don't worry about practical aspects, just for you to learn more. So let's go. CSS great font pairing. Great font pairings are essential to great designs. Let's move to the next slide. So we have font pairing rules. Here are some basic font pairing rules to create great font pairing. In the last video, we spoke about it a little bit, but in this aspect, we'll be going fully into it. We have number one, complements. It is always safe to find font pairing that complement one another. A great font combination should harmonize without being too similar or too different. We have number two, use font superfamily. A font superfamily is a set of fonts designed to work well together. So using different fonts within the same superfamily is safe. For example, Lucida superfamily contains the following font: Lucida Sans, Lucida Serif, Lucida TypeScript Sans, Lucida TypeScript Serif, and Lucida Matte. Let's move to the next one. Font pairing rules that continues. We have number one as well. Contrast is king. Two fonts that are too similar will often conflict. However, contrast done the right way brings out the best in each font. For example, combining serif with sans serif is a well-known combination. A strong superfamily includes both serif and sans serif. Serif variation of the same font. For example, Lucida and Lucida Sans. They are both serif and sans serif. Then the second one is choose only one boss. One font should be the boss. This establishes a hierarchy for the fonts on your page. This can be achieved by varying the size, weight, and color. No doubt, Georgia is the boss in this example that we have here. Then in this place, Veranda is also the boss. Let's move to the next one. We have popular font pairings. Below, we have shown some popular font pairings that will suit many brands and contexts. We have Georgia and Veranda. Georgia and Veranda is a classic combination. It also sticks to the web safe font standard. Georgia and Veranda. We have Helvetica and Garamond. Helvetica and Garamond is another classic combination that uses web safe fonts. That one too works. The next one, we have popular Google fonts pairing. If you don't want to use the standard font in HTML, you can use Google Fonts. Google Fonts are free to use and have more than 1,000 fonts to choose from. Below are some popular web fonts pairing. We have Merriweather and OpenSan. This one, use the Merriweather fonts for heading and OpenSans for text. Ubuntu and Laura, use the Ubuntu for the heading and Laura for the text. Use Abril Fantface and Poppin. Abril Fantface font for headings and Poppin for text. Simple. We have more Google fonts. Synsense and Funan 1. Use the Synsense font for heading and the Funan 1 for text. We have Fala 1 and Library Baskerville. Use the Fala 1 font for headings and the Library Baskerville for text. Use Mono and Muli. Use the Space Molo font for heading and Muli for text. Spectra and Rubik. Use the Spectral font for heading and Rubik for text. Oswald and Noto Sans. Same as how everything works. So we have the CSS font family shorthand. We spoke about it in the last video, but we can as well talk about it. So to shorten the code, it is possible to specify all the individual font properties in one declaration. The CSS font property is a shorthand property for font style, font variant, font weight, font stretch, font size, line height, and font family. Let's move to the next one. We have rules for the CSS font shorthand property. The font size and font family value are required. If one of these value is missing, their default value are used. If defined line height must immediately follow font size precedes by a slash like this. If defined, font style, font variant, and font weight must precede font size. Then font family must be the last value specified. We have an example. As it is like this, we can have fonts, 20 pixel Arial sans serif. In this one, we have italic bold 16 pixel Arial sans serif. We have fonts that is italic small caps, bold 15 px. Let's follow this one. We have an example. We can create one. Then cover me and say font dot font. Then inside here we'll say font. How do we have it there? We have italic bolds. We have italic small caps bold, italic, small caps bold, 20 pixels, 30 pixels sans serif. Let's say. Can you see what it just gave to us now? This is how rules of shorthand works. Let's move to the next one. So icons can easily be added to your HTML page by using an icon library. We have how to add icons. The simplest way to add an icon to your HTML page is with an icon library such as Font Awesome. Add the name of the specified icon class to any inline element like or. All the icons in the icon libraries below are scalable vectors that can be summarized with CSS size, color, and shadow. So we have Font Awesome. To use Font Awesome icon, go to Font Awesome, sign in, and get a code to add in the head of your element, of your HTML elements. So this is how Font Awesome works. Then we have Read More. You can get to know more about Font Awesome when you go to Font Awesome page and just read more. Then we have a note. You don't have to download it or install it. It can work like that. So let's create our own example about Font Awesome. We've already created an account. When you create an account and you sign in, it will give you a kit that you work with. So me, I've created mine. I just need to work around it. So I will come here. So I'll come to my heading first. In this place, my kit has been created. I'll just insert it here. I got this kit from Font Awesome when I created it. Then now I'll just come around here. I'll say icon. Then we can say class for cloud, and we have so much. Ads, car, fast, solid, file. If you want for car, ads, cloud, and any type of fonts you want, font icon that you want. It will give you different types. Let's check our one. What do we have here? Can you see it has given us cloud, love, which is ads, car, file, and which is this last one, bars. If you go to Font Awesome, there are different things you can see in this Font Awesome aspect. Let's move to the next one. We have Bootstrap icon. To use the Bootstrap glyph icon, add the following lines inside the head action of your HTML element. Like we just did for some Font Awesome. You go to Bootstrap icons too, but we'll do that when you get to Bootstrap, not now. You don't need to download it. What you just want to do is to install this, then it will work. So we also have Google icons. To use Google icon, add the following line inside the HTML, inside your head section of your HTML. We have the link, which is, then you go to font.google APIS, I think AIS.com/icon, then family of the icon that you want to use. Then this is how it goes. I hope you understand this that I've just taught you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techvision Academy. See you next time. Bye.